CFMOTO is shaking up the adventure bike segment with impressive performance at an unbeatable price point. The 2026 450MT proves you don't need to break the bank to experience real adventure touring capability. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where today we're checking out CFMOTO's middleweight adventure bike that's turning heads and changing minds about what budget-friendly motorcycles can deliver. Design. The 450MT sports aggressive adventure styling with a bold front fascia and rugged bodywork that looks ready for serious exploration. The upright seating position and tall stance give it genuine adventure bike presence. Wind protection from the adjustable windscreen is surprisingly effective, while the handguards and crash bars show CFMOTO means business about off-road capability. The modern LED lighting and sharp graphics give this bike a premium appearance that punches well above its price tag. Performance. The 450cc parallel twin engine delivers punchy performance with excellent fuel efficiency for extended range. Power delivery is smooth and predictable, making it perfect for newer adventure riders while providing enough grunt for experienced pilots. The long travel suspension handles rough terrain confidently, and the bike's manageable weight makes it nimble on technical trails. Whether you're commuting through city traffic or exploring fire roads, the 450MT adapts seamlessly. The 6-speed gearbox provides well-spaced ratios for any riding situation. Features and technology. CFMOTO equipped the 450MT with dual-channel ABS for confident braking in all conditions, and a full-color TFT display that's easy to read in direct sunlight. USB charging keeps your devices powered on long journeys. The 19-inch front and 17-inch rear wheels strike a balance between off-road capability and on-road stability. With generous fuel capacity and comfortable ergonomics, this bike is built for the long haul. Conclusion. The 2026 CFMOTO 450MT delivers incredible value without compromising capability. It's proof that adventure is accessible to everyone. If you found this review useful, smash that like button, comment with your thoughts on CFMOTO, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more affordable bike coverage. Go explore!